gold has continued to rise in value yesterday and created a bullish candle with a larger wick on the upper side and a smaller wick on the lower side, which indicates still active bullish momentum that is pushing the price to higher price levels. And we can see the price has come very close to 3716.14, very close to it, but could not successfully reach that area of resistance and supply zone, and currently what we can see, it is retracing slightly. These are completely new levels, so there is no clear information which is a precise resistance level that is potentially being tested, because there is no history currently. What we can see here, yesterday the price has continued to rise in value during the day, and we can see the price has reached an area of 3702.83 and then retraces back down. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see clearly how the price has behaved yesterday. The price has done yesterday a bullish breakout outside of this smaller range area, about 3682.34. We can see that here, and then it continued to rise in value all the way to the next resistance, which is 3696.42. Yesterday I have mentioned I'm going to put some of these resistance resistance and support levels on the chart based on the Fibonacci expansion, and we can see where are they located currently, and we can see the price has reached an area of supply zone here and then retrace back down all the way to this area of support. Then it has bounced back up, continued to rise again to this area of resistance, and then currently this day also retrace back down. Again, it is at 3676.10. Currently the price is still inside this smaller range area, which needs to be broken again in order to allow the price to move in any of these directions. And we can see after the price yesterday made a bullish breakout, the price could not continue to rise in value because of this area of resistance. So what we can say for today, what we can expect? Well, based on the daily time frame, what we can see that the very important support level is right here with the wicks are 3673, and on the upper side we can see it's very important for the price to close the day above 3690. If that happens, it will continue to rise in value. So 3690, it is the price that needs to be broken on the upper side to allow the price to continue to rise in value. So we need to wait until the daily time frame closes above this area of resistance. Now if the price continues to lose its value, we can see 3676.10 is the support that needs to be broken in order to allow the price to lose its value, going further down to this area of support, which is 3662.33. What will happen? It is the same scenario like yesterday. Wait until the breakout happens, and we can see what happens then. Follow the market until the price reaches the next support or resistance level. So for now, for today, I'm waiting outside, waiting to see how the price will behave around this area of range area between this resistance and this support, and after that we'll see how the price behaves. Is there some kind of a breakout targeting to the higher price levels, or there will be a bearish breakout going to the lower price levels? So for now, that's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.